I'm super excited about this property. I think she's nailed it. She's one of the nicest people I've ever met as well. It's been a pleasure to work with her. Super excited to show you through it in more detail. G'day guys, down here in Brisbane today at one of my favourite clients' properties. We just picked it up for her. I'll take you for a little bit of a look inside in a sec. Now, Linda came to our business. She's been working overseas for an incredible organisation that a lot of us know about but won't disclose to you at the moment. Now, Linda's goals when she came to us were to pick up 3 houses and build 3 granny flats in the 6-month period that she's engaged us. Huge goal, but she'd been earning good money for a long time. Her living costs had been extremely low and she'd been saving money. Now, the reason Linda wanted to get into the market was to set herself up for long-term financial freedom and to create a passive income stream for life. She'd also been following our content online for a while and wanted to take advantage of the current conditions and market timing in Brisbane. Now, when Linda came to us, she obviously worked in a very stressful, high-profile job overseas, all different parts of the world. And so one of the challenges that she was facing was her job was very, very time-intensive. She was earning very, very good money, but just didn't have the capacity to get really, really stuck into this property stuff. She also didn't have a clear plan when she first came and started to speak with us, which we've helped her put in place now. And she didn't really have the market education for Brisbane. So she knew the area, but she didn't know which particular suburbs represented the best value for short-term and long-term capital growth. And she also didn't know which suburbs where she could legally add the secondary dwellings. So we've supported Linda to move through some of those challenges. Now, this is the first of the 3 properties we've bought. We've also actually just picked up her second property, which was on a huge 2,000 square metre piece of land, and we'll be picking up a third one shortly as well. Now, in terms of the actual property, what I love about it is it's super, super stable. It's obviously brick with a nice colour-bond roof. It's 4 really large-sized bedrooms with a big living, kitchen, dining area. It's 1,000 square metres plus of land. It might even be 1,300 square metres. Like, it's absolutely massive. It's got 2 bathrooms with the concrete plus the carports. It's going to have space for 7 cars. It's absolutely massive. I think the guy before this has probably literally spent almost $80,000 on concrete. It's crazy the amount of driveway that they've put in and car parking accommodation. Linda's plan for the property when she picked it up was to do a basic cosmetic renovation. So structurally and maintenance-wise, it's in a low maintenance condition and a tenant-ready condition, but she's decided to redo the painting, redo some of the lights, redo some of the electrical work, as well as redo the flooring, just to freshen it up and make it what she wants to be. Because Linda, once she's set this property up, will have to move back overseas, and she just really wants a property that she doesn't have to think about, that can rent for a premium and do that. Now, that is the front home, but down the back of the property here, which you'll see in a moment, she's also planning on building a really beautiful 70 square metre granny flat with a nice big deck on it. We expect the granny flat to rent for somewhere between $300 and $350 a week, and for this front home to rent for somewhere between $450 and $550 a week. So extremely good outcome based on a purchase price of less than $600K. In terms of the big picture, Linda's long-term plan is to be financially free and to not have to continue to go overseas for her work. So she basically would like to own 3 houses with 3 granny flats, giving her about 150 grand per year of passive income in 15 to 20 years, completely outright. She wanted a strategy that was low risk, where she could get that long-term capital growth as well as strong cash flow. And she really wanted properties that she could add a little bit of value to, but set and forget long-term as extremely low maintenance investments. So I'm super excited about this property. I think she's nailed it. She's one of the nicest people I've ever met as well. It's been a pleasure to work with her. Super excited to show you through it in more detail.
Sweaty, so sweaty. Oh, that's good.